Page 16, Jesus Christ, the True Way. Now, on the previous couple pages, they're introducing you to what's known as G position. And G position is the same as C position, except the bottom note is going to be a G. So what we're going to do is the right hand is, you've been here, you're simply going up to here. Bottom note's a G. In the left hand, you're here. We're going to go down to here. They're going down. G position, it could be any G. It depends on what the music is telling you. They're showing on page 14 going down here. It's up to you to know the names of the notes in the staff. I leave that up to you. I'll not teach that here. G position for page 14 is here. You can play those notes. I won't go over that because this is all you're doing. I think you can do those notes okay, I hope. But on page 16, again, we're here. And this book, Alfred tends to do this, not the only one, others do it too, is when they're introducing new notes to you and the staff and the music, they put the name of the note in between, in the middle of it. I find that distracting. Hopefully they won't do that too much, but they do it. Like at the beginning of this piece in the right hand, here, they're telling you that's a B, here. Memorize it, you got to know what it is, so it's a B, da-da, you're done. In the left hand, you have the G and the D, and they put the names of the notes in the middle of the note. That's just what this publisher does. Music normally doesn't do that. So it's here. You just need to know those notes. So we're in G position here. We spread out a little bit, didn't we? Huh? Otherwise, that's all that's new. It's a 4/4 time. You're still only using the white keys. No black keys yet. They're coming. Hang in there. And I don't see anything tricky about the counting or nothing. There's quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. You can do all that. Let's try this out. It says merrily. Merrily, happy, I guess. To me, a merrily happy is like an allegretto speed. It's just a little faster than moderato, but it's not fast. It's like a... Melody sound familiar to you? They take a common melody and they put different words to it and give it a different name, and that's their song. So a lot of people do this. A lot of method books will do this. Actually, you'll find this is normally called Jingle Bells, I think. It's a Christmas song. Doesn't have to be. Could be anything. It's just to us, it's just music. Melodies in the right hand bring out the melody. So on the chords, keep them soft. The left hand soft. Now let's try this out. I'll give us 4 counts and we'll see what happens. Slowly. We're going to go slow. So we're here. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. There is a duet part at the bottom of page 17. I would like to do that, so you play what you just played, and I'll do the duet part, and you play along with me. So let's just try it. 4 beats, I'll count us in, and you're here. You don't move anywhere, just stay right where you're at, and continue, just play it the way you did. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.